If you are new to Canva and you feel confused every time you open it, relax, your clarity is here. In this video, I will show you how to use Canva from scratch. No stress and no confusion. By the end of this video, you will know how to create designs using Canva, how to add text and images to your design. So if you are a new content creator or a small business owner, this video will help you to start creating wonderful designs for your business. But before we go ahead with this video, I'm Coach Gabriel. In this channel, I help new and the small YouTubers to grow on YouTube. Not only that, I also help creators to master AI video creation and the Canva tutorials step by step. So if you actually want to learn all this, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Now let's get into the video. To get your Canva, you go to Google Play Store. If you are using a laptop PC, your personal computer, you go to Chrome browser, get yours downloaded. So once you downloaded it, you open the app. If you open your Canva, this is how it will, the interface will appear to you. So there are a whole lot of buttons here that you can click on depending on what you want to design. If you want to design a document, you are free to use Canva and do that. Like this is it. This is where you can do that. To design a document, you click on Doc. Is it? This is all of them. Whatever you want to design, or that is your end of coming to Canva, you click on it. So the next thing is all those things. So let's try one. Like I want to design a YouTube thumbnail now. If I want to design a YouTube thumbnail, I have to come to this search button. Type YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. So once I type it, I have to click on search. Alright, it will fetch it for us immediately. So this is a whole lot of thumbnails. And if you don't know what thumbnails is, maybe in the next video I will do a video on how to add thumbnails to your video. Thumbnails are like images, designs that make your video to be attractive. Thumbnails, as you can see, a whole lot of thumbnails here. You can upload one, design it to your own taste, or you may also leave it like this, but depending on the particular video or the topic of your video. So thumbnail is very important for video creators, more especially people that create video on YouTube. You have to add a thumbnail to your video so that some of videos, this thumbnail help to increase the count of views that comes to your video. Well, some people may also click on your video depending on because of how attractive it looks like, and some people don't even read the title of your video or the main purpose of your video, but just because they see the video, it is the layout of the video or the thumbnail of the video is so catchy, they want to see what is inside the video. They will also just click on it and watch your video. So this is it. The thumbnail is very important. So as me, I want to design a thumbnail now for my video. Let me click on one of these thumbnails. Let me show you how to edit thumbnails. I wouldn't want to waste much of your time on this video, so I will make it so short, it will not be too long. So I am free to edit everything here. Everything here is editable. I am free to edit them if I want. If I want to change this picture, I am free. Once I click on the picture, the next thing I have to do is to click on replace. This is it. Click on replace. Click on replace, or you click here, but it is better to click on replace because once you click on replace, it will take you directly to your gallery immediately. So let me click on replace. Alright, I don't have to go to my gallery now and start searching for pictures. It may take a lot of time, so I have to click on upload. This upload is where some of the videos or some of my designs, where I can see them, the videos that I have uploaded before or designs that I have done before. So this is it. I can see the picture I want to use. Click on this picture. Alright, as you can see, it is no longer the white man picture. It is now my picture that is displaying here. So the next thing, if I want to change all these text, I am free to change the text. Let us mean this is not the topic I want to use this Canva for. Like this is how to make money online. So if I want to change it, I am free to change it. The next thing I have to do is to click. Once I click on the text, and now come and click on edit. Once I click on edit, I am free to delete it and write my own. I can say 7 secrets to make online money. As you can see, this is it. I am free to delete whatever I want to delete here. I am free also to resize, to change the text, to add fonts. I am free to add fonts. These fonts, the use of this font is to change the text, style. Like if I want to change this text now to this, if I want to change it, I can change the text now to this size. As you can see, it is now more bold than before. That is the use of fonts. For these fonts. So the next thing here is text style, font size. If I want to minimize the size of this text, I am free. That is the work of font size. If I want to reduce it, if I want to increase it, that's it. You can also use it for your video and picture if you want to bring it out more out, if you want to make it more bold. So the next thing here is the color. You can change the color of this text. As you can see, it is on yellow now, but I can change it to black. Alright, the black is not good because it's not showing. Yes, I can change it to blue, I can change it to red, I can change it to any color of my choice. So this is it. I can edit all these text, change the color, resize it to my own text. This one is spacing. If I want to space the word, the spacing, word spacing and the letter spacing, line spacing and letter spacing. That is it. That is the work of spacing. So effects, position, all of them. Position is used to position your picture. Like if I want to put this picture now to the back, I am free. If I want to put it to the back, I am free. If I want to put it to the front, I am free. So this is it. So once you are done with your design, this one is what we call flip. This flip is used to reposition your picture. As you can see, you can reposition it. Alright, that is the use of it for repositioning. Alright, so once you are done with your thumbnail, to download it, the next thing you have to do is to click on this. Click on this to download it. Once you click on it, you now download it to your gallery straight. I believe you are enjoying this video, and if you do me a favor by clicking the like button. Make sure you like this video, share it to others. Now let's continue. If you also want to design a YouTube banner, it is also the same process that we use. Go to the search bar and type YouTube banner. It will bring it out for you. Whatever you want to design. If it is logo, if you want to design a logo for your business, all you have to do is to come here and type logo or logo design. You can type logo design. Alright, logo design. So this is it. If you want to create a logo for your business, this is a whole lot of it. You are free to do it. Like here, let me use this logo. If I want to design it to my own taste or to my own company name or business name, let's wait for it to open. Okay, yeah. So I am free to edit it. Likewise, the way you edit your thumbnail, whatever here is editable, you can edit all of them. Let's touch me. I can change this text. I can change the background color. Since it is KP, I can change it to GB. GB. Gabriel Blessing. I can change it to GB. Well, I don't know if you guys saw what I did now. I moved this text from its origin to another place. This is it. I have also bring it back to the place it was before. So this is it. Once you click on it, you move it. It is movable. You can move it. So let me edit this name to Gabriel Blessing. Gabriel Blessing. So this is it. Done. I can also remove this if I like to remove it. The next thing I have to do is click on delete. So this is it. Gabriel Blessing. So once you are done, you download it. So this is it. Once it is now in my gallery immediately, I can view it in my gallery now. So these two options is good. You can use this one, and this one is mainly for picture, to download your picture. But this first one I shown you is mainly used for video. This one, if you edit something that contains videos, that one is good for it to download the video. It is also good for picture. So two of them, the two button works perfectly. So that is it for now. I believe you got value from this tutorial. So please subscribe, like and comment on the video. So in the next episode, I will teach you how to add thumbnail to your videos. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.